Hello my friends, welcome to this craft edition of Paper and Joy. This is the Father's Day edition. So this month we are going to be making a little gift card holder. So it's got Dad cut out on the front. I can turn it and open it. And then inside is where you can put your gift card. So just slide it in that little slot there. So a nice little gift idea for Father's Day coming up soon. Okay. Let's go and make this for you. Okay, so in your packs you will get the outside sleeve for the gift card holder. You get the inside pattern paper and the little outside decorative feature as well. You'll also need a piece of scrap paper for gluing and a glue stick. All right, let's get crafting. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is grab your base piece and your pattern piece. So this is the decorative piece inside that actually holds the gift voucher. Okay, so on the back I have put some double-sided tape to make it easy for you. So when we stick it on, I'm just going to stick it just next to that fold line, so not over the fold line, because otherwise you won't be able to fold your card holder closed. So if you can see that, when it's closed, it just sits just to the right of the fold line there. So that's where we're aiming to stick it. All right, so peel off your double-sided tape pieces. Nice easy craft this month. Yep. Go get it. There we go. Alright. So that's 4 pieces there, side pieces, 2 top and 1 at the bottom. Alright. As I said, just to the right of that fold line, and then sort of lining up your top and bottom edges where you can. There we go. So that then if you grab your gift card, you can slide that in. Now I recommend putting it sort of down so that it doesn't show up. You can still see the Dad nicely. So if you have it just in, it sort of sits behind the Dad and it doesn't look so nice. So sit it down a little bit so that it doesn't obscure that Dad cutout piece. All right, now grab your scrap paper, your glue stick and your pattern piece, and this is what we're just going to use to decorate the front, just to give it a little bit of feature so it's not too white. Okay, now you can see the different angles. So the sharper angle goes down the bottom, the flatter angle is for the side there, and when you're gluing it you just have to position it so that these line up with your white edges. All right, grab your glue stick, put some glue on that, then we're done. It's one of our quickest, easiest projects, but I hope you like it. All right, so this is the only tricky bit, is just lining it up both edges. There we go, give it a press. And we have our Father's Day gift card holder all ready to go. So happy Father's Day to you all. Hope you have an enjoyable day. Hope you enjoyed this little quick craft, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.